Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for partner in Toilet Tower Defense. First, understand the core requirements. You'll need at least 10,000 YouTube subscribers, 50,000 TikTok followers, or 10,000 Twitch followers. Additionally, maintain average views of 1,000 per YouTube video or Twitch stream, or 10,000 per TikTok video. Being a member of the official Roblox group is also essential. Next, let's cover the application process. Partner applications typically open on weekends, with announcements made in the community channel of the official Discord server. When open, locate the Google form link there. Carefully fill out all required fields, providing accurate information about your platform, follower counts, and channel link. Don't forget to include your Discord and Roblox usernames. After submitting your application, the team will review it. This process can take some time, so patience is key. If accepted, you'll receive exclusive benefits, including special roles and channels within the game's Discord server. You'll also gain the unique ability to sign units directly in the game, a cool perk for recognized creators. To maximize your chances of becoming a partner, focus on creating consistent, high-quality toilet tower defense content. Show your dedication to the game and its community through active engagement. Always double-check that all information on your application is accurate and complete. Good luck on your journey to partnership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.